Yo, on the menu today, smoked Gouda mash and Guava Skillet pork belly. What you gotta know? Cut up some scallion, cut up some onion, put that to the side. Then you gotta get your pork belly. You gotta clean that with some white vinegar, and then you gotta also put that to the side. Then you gotta season it. Onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, thyme. You gotta also put some old bay pan that and some adobo. And then you gotta put that down in the skillet now and sear it. All 4 pieces what you cut up. After you sear that now, what you gotta do after that? You make sure it look nice. Yeah, you see how good it look? You make you want to name it right now. But you don't want to name it now, you're not done. Yeah. So then you gotta put some water on that and make it simmer down and get soft and tender for about 2 hours or so. Then you cut up your potatoes and throw that in the pot. You boil 1 egg and you gotta basically puree that as well. You see how me do it on the knife? Then what you do now, you get the potato and you put it in a 1 sieve. Reason why you put it in the sieve, you get fine and smooth. Then you re-put it back in the sieve when you mix it with the egg. Put that to the side and then you go season it. Black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. And then you go put your heavy cream on that, a little pinch of salt. And then you smoke Gouda, you grate that in a head and you blend it up together. Yeah, just like what you see there right there. So, yeah man. Put that to the side after you're done and then you go basically re-fry now. And then you go base it with your guava barbecue sauce. Then after you do that, you go put it back in the pot. No oil whatsoever. Just a little bit of butter and then you go sear that down. Get 1 cookie cutter and then you go plate it up. Nice and smooth. You see how good it look? Yeah. Then after you cut your pork belly, you put that down panny. You get some green chives and you just put it over it for garnish. Lace it with some red wine, base sauce what we make from scratch and put it on there. That's how your food go. Yeah. Alright man, big up yourself. Make sure you like and follow my page, you know. Don't know, respect man.